how to draft a post on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon at the bottom center. Choose a photo or video from your gallery or tap the camera icon at the top right to take a new one. After selecting your media, tap Next. You can now edit the post by adding filters, adjusting settings, or tagging people. If you are not ready to publish, tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap back again and Instagram will ask if you want to save the post as a draft. Tap Save Draft. To find your saved drafts later, tap the plus icon again. Below your recent photos, you will see a section labeled Drafts. Tap on it to view and edit your saved posts before sharing them. That's how to draft a post on Instagram.